Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making low calorie namkeen, preservatives free, good for weight loss. Lotus seeds 2 cups, roast on medium heat for 3 minutes. Keep aside. Same pan, add puffed rice 1 cup, rice flakes 1 cup, roast on low heat for 3 minutes. Keep aside. In a same pan, add peanut 2 tablespoons, roasted chana 4 tablespoons, roast on medium heat for 2 minutes. Add any dry fruits, roast for 3 minutes. In a same pan, add ghee half tablespoon, curry leaves, salt and red chilli half tablespoon, turmeric half tablespoon, chaat masala 1 tablespoon, roasted items, mix everything. Enjoy low calorie namkeen in your weight loss journey. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.